Hey, you can coffee unicorns. We're gonna make pancakes, right, Dad? Pancakes. Alright, so we got the eggs and pancake mix and your measuring cup. Yeah, we'll be mixing them
basketball suit.
I don't need to go into anything.
Be quiet.
What is that?
Picnic. Stop.
Ooh, weirdy. Is that called weedy?
Debbie, get off the counter.
Okay. I'm gonna knock this down. Oh,
No, Debbie, don't knock that down! No!
Debbie, let go of that, please.
why does she get all that? I want to play with them.
Well, I have to knock them down first. Not to finish. Oh, yeah.
You're not
Put them on the frying pan.
I want to play with them. That's what you said. I'm going to knock one down.
Debbie, do not.
Dad, I want my Jago.
Here's your video kid to knock him down.
Alright, see you in the next video when the pancakes are finished.